Useful. 7 pieces acrylic nail drill bits for professional manicurists and non-professional manicure enthusiasts. 1x tungsten carbide fine barrel bit, 1x tungsten carbide medium barrel bit, 1x tungsten carbide coarse safety barrel bit, 1x Emery cone bit, 1x Emery needle bit, 1x Emery ball bit and 1x cleaning brush. Multifunction. AIRSEE nail drill bit set can be used easily and quickly for reshaping, shortening, polishing naturel nails or acrylic nails, for removing cuticles, acrylic nails, nail polish, nail decorations and for cleaning under nail, etc. A brush is also included to clean up the dust and debris caused by the manicure work. Complete. Regardless of nail plate, nail edge or nail seam, our drill bit set for nails can easily reach. 3 of different roughness tungsten carbide bits are good at large area work. 3 of Emery cuticle drill bits for nails or nail drills are good at safe edge and seam work. At the same time, our nail drill bits for acrylic nails also fully consider the safety and will not harm your skin at all. Professional. Superior tungsten carbide Emery materials. Tungsten carbide and Emery are both corrosion and heat-resistant abrasive materials that are almost as tough as diamond, so they can provide you with the most lasting perfect polishing experience on nails. No rust and no overheating damage. Universal, 3/32 shanks suitable for most electric nail drills you already have or will have. Our nail bits for nail drill can be used as a necessary set for professional manicurists or as the first set for beginners in nail art. Manicure at home, stay healthy. Top reviews from the United States. Must-have. This is a must-have if you're doing your own nails at home. Before I had these bits, it took forever to even out my dip powder on my nails and to take down thickness. This does the job quickly. Do not use this nail bit on your natural nails. This nail bit is for acrylic or dip.